Hello everyone, today I will show you how to blur background in DaVinci Resolve, and here's how it is done. First, go to the Color tab, right-click your clip, and select Add Node, Add Serial. With the second clip highlighted, go down and click on Window icon, then select Curve. Next, start tracing an outline around the subject you want to isolate from the background. Continue outlining until you complete the shape by connecting back to the starting point. Once done, select the tracker icon and click Track Forward. DaVinci Resolve will automatically track your subject through each frame of the video. Now right-click the second clip, select Add Node, and choose Add Outside. Finally, click and drag the Gaussian blur effect onto the third video clip. Adjust the blur strength to your liking, and your background blur is complete. And that is everything you need to know about how to blur background in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.